All right, we have a nice S&P trade right here. Charts on the left. Nice number one long, 6 contracts, $12.50 per movement or tick. But you see it moving in increments of $75 because of the 6 contracts. I'll go for a 12 tick profit target here. Pretty standard profit target for this particular instrument. Now, if you've watched any number of these videos, our trades of the day, I think is what they're called, I say the same thing. You know, these, I'm just picking a trade out, a couple of trades out, and you can gain a lot from these videos. You cannot, let me tell you what you can't gain from these videos. Our track record, you can't gain. Our success rate, you can't gather whether or not we call trades on time. You can't gather how we call the trades. You can't gather if we fence sit. You can't gather a whole number of things. What you can gather is, you know, what our software looks like, the type of software we use, the basic structure of our indicators and things like that. I get a lot of people saying, hey, you know, you can just pick the good ones out, and you're absolutely correct. I recommend go to our free trial. You can watch us trade, you know, all morning, and you can get the best feel for, you know, how we do. So I mention this a lot because it's important, and the free trial really will answer most of your questions. Anyway, back to this trade. Oh, this is a painfully long trade. I mostly trade the Russell and the oil, and those trades last from seconds to 6 minutes. This ES and 6E, not my most favorite instrument. Dale loves, our senior trader loves, you know, he loves the spoons, but I find it hard to sit through this. In fact, I just want to pull the plug on this trade now. But I figure we've been in this thing for 30 minutes. Might as well sit it through. Now the downside to Russell and oil is you have to be real quick with your entries. It's pretty fairly precision entries. You can't, there's not a lot of thinking, you know, you have to, it's very reactionary, you know, it has to be second nature. With the ES and 6E, you know, you have all day to get in, and if you look at the inside bid and ask on this, it's huge, and you know, easy to get your fills in and out. That's all the plus sides, but it can just be such paint drawing watching. It's just excruciating for people like me. But they're easy to get filled, and whereas the Russell and oil are much more difficult. I don't find a problem getting filled, but I've been trading at least the Russell for going on 12 years, I guess. This thing is continuing. I mean, I'm pretty sure we're going to hit our profit target here, but it'll bounce off that for another 20 times here. Ha! I was wrong. Okay, well, there it is. 900 on a monster long trade. Definitely took forever. But anyway, I don't think I'm going to do another one of these. We'll see y'all tomorrow.